Hey there, productivity pros. Welcome back to Bazai, your ultimate hub for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving into the Sana.ai platform's meetings and tasks dashboard, a powerful tool for streamlining workflows with AI agents. If you're looking to manage meetings, tasks, and sales processes like a pro, this is for you. We'll break down the key features with technical depth and show you how to maximize efficiency. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get organized. Meetings Dashboard, Recent and Upcoming Events. First, let's explore the Meetings Dashboard, which provides a centralized view of your engagements. The Recent Meetings section lists past events with detailed metadata. For example, the Future of Immersive, a live roundtable, on May 22nd at 23:30 discussed immersive experiences, focusing on AI and VR trends, while Google Cloud Ask Me Anything on May 13th at 22:30 tackled AI agent integration challenges. The upcoming meetings section organizes events by day, starting with today's Discover Neo 4J ORDB S02E03 from 2030 to 2130. The week ahead includes tech-heavy sessions like Data Visualization with Python on May 27th, AI Agent World Tour on May 29th, and AI Bootcamp over the weekend. This structure, accessible via the Meetings tab in the main navigation, ensures you never miss a critical event. Tasks Dashboard and Sales Agent Integration. Next, let's dive into the Tasks Dashboard, integrated with Sana.ai's AI-driven sales agent. The dashboard lists actionable tasks like conduct a competitor analysis, prepare a BNCT analysis for a sales meeting, and write a prospect email, all tagged as demo tasks for user Baz. The sales agent, managed by Bazai, enhances sales processes by leveraging a knowledge base, such as the demo Acme Confidentiality Agreement version 2 with 10 files to suggest tasks like preparing for prospect meetings. Built on Sana.ai's platform, the agent uses natural language processing to automate repetitive tasks, maximizing customer engagement. You can search for related files via the search functionality, which integrates with Google Calendar, offering web and filters options for precise knowledge retrieval. Efficiency at its finest. User interface and subscription details. Finally, let's cover the user interface and subscription details. The platform's main navigation includes Home, Tasks, Search, and Meetings, with secondary navigation offering Collections, Demo Collection, and Settings. User interface elements like Skip to Content, Browse Agents, and Invite streamline navigation, while the user profile displays Baz as the active user. The Demo Collection usage shows 4 meetings and 20 messages left this month, with a prompt to upgrade for unlimited use. Perfect for scaling your operations. This intuitive design, paired with AI-driven insights, makes Sana.ai a powerhouse for managing meetings and tasks. And that's a wrap, folks. Sana.ai's meetings and tasks dashboard demystified. From upcoming events to AI-powered sales tasks, you're now ready to boost productivity. If this deep dive got you pumped, smash that like button, subscribe to Bazai, and ring the bell for more tech insights. Drop a comment on how you're using Sana.ai. I'd love to hear. Catch you in the next video, and until then, keep working smart and stay awesome. Subscribe to Bazai for more tech tutorials. See you next time.